just showing you how I get my beach waves. It's a pretty simple process. You just gotta braid in your braids, and you get this look. It's pretty easy in the morning because you can just roll out of bed and your hair is basically done and easy to go. Voila, your hair is beachy, you have these waves going. All I would ask and give advice for is that you would put a frizz tamer. This is the L'Oreal taming serum basically, and I just use a little bit, that way I can get that bed hair look out of the way. But basically it's just really easy. You're rolling out of bed and you have a fresh look. You don't have to put heat in your hair, and you can grow your hair longer if you don't put so much heat on your hair. So this is pretty easy, and that's pretty much sums up my beauty routine. In the morning I don't really wear makeup, so yeah. You always want to make sure whenever you're making eggs, like that way they don't stick. See how it's like coming up already? Like this is how I like it. I usually wait like maybe 30 seconds or 30 to 40 seconds. That way like it like gives this like fluffy look. Let me show you the other angle from here. So this is basically how I make my morning burritos. No, they are not a wrap, they are burritos. So this is just basically how I get my breakfast done in the morning. So I changed really quick because I was starting to sweat out there. It is winter here in Hawaii, but it is still pretty humid. Hi guys, please subscribe to my channel where I'll be showing you health tips, and actually my next video is going to be a workout video, so stay tuned for that.